Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, it's me. So today we are going to be adding extra curves at the bohemian knotless shoulder length. So what I like to do when I add in extra curves, I like to dip my hair twice. So the first time I'm going to dip it without the rotor, and the second time I'm going to add the rotor with the boho hair and dip it in the water. So after dipping my hair in the water, I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit for 2 minutes. In the process of sitting for 2 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and add my mousse on the hair, so that way the mousse can be able to shine. The reason I add mousse to my hair is to lay the little piece I wasn't able to get, to lay everything down nice and shiny. So after adding the mousse on the hair, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the rotor from the hair. So I'm gonna start from the bottom and work my way to the top. The reason I do that is to keep my curls nice and fluffy. And when I was doing this style, the color was, I was like, oh my god, is it really gonna be cute? But after dipping it here in the water, and I realized the curls is super cute. And